Hello friends! We've compiled a list of new and affordable machines to start a profitable business. Additional links for each piece of equipment are provided in the description below the video. Queues will form for this vending machine. It can quickly sanitize and perfectly clean jewelry, glasses, watches, and phones, items everyone has. Simply place the item in the machine, and in a minute, it comes out perfectly clean, dry, and streak-free. Such a machine is especially useful in shopping centers, hospitals, airports, and train stations. How to generate traffic and money with a laser? This is the Sundor Laser Cleaning Machine. With this laser, you can quickly remove rust, paint, soot, and other contaminants from various items. The machine is very compact, allowing you to provide on-site cleaning services. This service is particularly in demand in auto repair shops, construction, and industry. Most importantly, this machine will also generate online customer traffic, create working pages on popular social networks, and post short videos showing the laser in action before-after format. Such videos garner thousands of views and can generate a steady stream of clients. Next, you just need to hire more technicians and expand your profitable laser empire. The machines start at $4,000. Profitable business with a small CNC machine and mirror. Buy mirrored sheets and use the CNC machine to cut them into small squares. Then glue these squares onto a construction grid to create stunning mosaic mirror tiles for wall cladding. You can sell these tiles at much higher prices than their cost. The machine costs start from $2,000. Starting a business with fresh tortillas. This is an automated compact stove for making tortillas. With this equipment, you can open fast food points where aromatic tortillas are baked and sold with various fillings. Freshly baked products always taste better. This will become the highlight of your establishment and attract many customers. The cost of such a machine is about $500. Socks are always in demand. They are one of those products that sell year-round. With this machine, you can start your own production and manufacture up to 400 pairs per day, change designs and colors, sell the finished products on marketplaces or through your online store. The machine costs start at $3,000. With this Tufting gun and trimming machine, you can create custom rugs with any print on demand. Find customers online, have them send the desired image, transfer it to fabric, and make the rug. The necessary tools can be purchased for just $100. With this tool, you can digitize any product and offer a highly sought-after service. Online sales generate $1 billion, with photo and video content being the primary sales tools. Using this tool, you can offer offline businesses, cafes, or stores the ability to digitize their products and create amazing content to generate online sales. The installation cost is only $300. Bubble tea is becoming increasingly popular worldwide. Cafes offering this unique drink attract more customers. Usually, juice balls are ordered from suppliers. But with this small machine, you can make them yourself. The ready drink can be sold in cans, making it convenient to take tea on the go or to work. The equipment costs start at $250. Organizing entertainment zones for children and adults is always a relevant way to earn money. They can be placed in shopping centers, parks, children's entertainment centers, and used for events. Install the equipment yourself or rent it out. Costs start at $300. This smart machine does it all, determines the shape of the nail, and applies a smooth and neat coat of polish. An excellent solution for automating processes in the beauty industry. Setting up such an express studio requires just 1 square meter. The machines can be installed in shopping centers, airports, and other high-traffic places. Earn by installing and renting out LED 3D floors. Such floors will be an excellent addition to weddings, children's parties, and exhibitions. Create a vibrant photo zone or disco. The original flooring can also be rented out to car dealerships for presenting new models. The cost per sale starts at $30. Try your hand at being a designer and start your mini production today. With this sewing machine, you can quickly get any design or logo. Buy plain t-shirts, dresses, or tote bags and add unique prints. Sell the finished products on marketplaces or through your online store. Costs start at $500. Earn by providing welding or metal cutting services. The machine is easy to transport and use in small spaces. Take it to job sites or rent it out. Use the machine in an auto repair shop or garage to cut parts. Costs around $3,000. If you've been thinking about making money from coffee, now is the time to do it. With this equipment, you can make high-quality coffee capsules and find your customers. Focus on exclusivity and branding. Find clients online. Costs start at $5,000. 3D printers create almost everything, from interior decorations to toys quickly, simply, and with high quality. Earn by making toys such as cars. Create original models with the printer that are hard to find in stores. Open courses for kids on making toys or record educational video programs. Costs start at $300. A vast amount of in-demand products can be made with woodworking machines. For example, this simple yet multifunctional furniture. It can be used as a table, ladder, or rocking chair. A great idea for producing original items. Waffles are a very popular dessert. With these waffle makers, you can make uniquely shaped treats. Decorate them with fruits or chocolate. Such waffles will be craved again and again. A great idea for bakeries, cafes, or food trucks. Costs start at $100. Few have tried this kind of cotton candy. In just a few minutes, you have a beautiful multicolored flower. The original presentation will attract more and more buyers to the machine. Install the machine in shopping and entertainment centers, cinemas, or parks. Costs start at $3,000. Color the world with bright hues. With this mini machine, you can make lots of colorful chalk, package the finished products, and deliver them to stores. The product is in high demand among children and educational institutions. The machine costs $600. Earned by instant key making, just insert the key, and the machine will scan it and make duplicates. Such a service will be in demand in every residential area. The machine is perfect for installation in shopping centers and supermarkets. Costs start at £6,500. With this machine, you can easily get natural oil from cocoa, avocado, coconut, and various seeds. Focus on quality and exclusivity by offering ready-made oils mixed with different spices. Sell through social media pages. Costs start at $200. A great idea for coffee lovers. Now your favorite hot capsule coffee is always with you, no matter where you are on the road or camping. With this super mug, you can drink your favorite hot capsule coffee anytime. Earn by reselling this trending product on marketplaces or through your online store. Costs start at $16. Need a helper in the garden? This smart robot will water plants, trim the lawn, clean pathways, scare away birds, and remove weeds. The robot monitors the battery level and refills the water tank. A great solution for private yards. Don't wash the cup, just eat it. Original edible cups will diversify the serving of drinks and attract new customers to your cafe. With this mini machine, you can make lots of edible tableware. The finished product will be especially popular in coffee shops. The machine costs around $2,500.